So I just cleaned it out, second portion, and then I'll just do another quick sweep and show you what these guys do. And because I cleaned yesterday, all the more, they want to make sure that they keep leaving all that shit there. I don't do that to them inside of their homes. And not only that, but I make sure that all my stuff is put together. Okay. So yesterday I cleaned and vacuumed right before the inspection, but they made sure that they came in because they wanted them to smell shit, you know, to make it look like I was, it's all a setup. So this is to legally document how the setup works. So I'm cleaning. I cleaned yesterday, and then today I just pulled it out. Get this out of the way. Let me go outside and do this because it's so dirty. Okay. And so just to show you, after I cleaned yesterday and vacuumed, they come back into my house and they dump all this shit and they think it's funny. They think you're supposed to live in an ashtray. This is how much hate I'm dealing with. I already cleaned yesterday, and this is the kind of shit they come back and dump into the house. They sprinkle it on your body, on your bedding, everything. But I'm not actually doing that to them. This is where people think they have a right to interfere with you or to try to tell you. But what they're really doing is, this is the type of degradation these people, these terrorists, my neighbors, do to somebody else. 418 Erdley Avenue, Pacific Grove, California. I'm a victim of a vigilante group of violent extremists that do shit like this to your fucking house.